Hi friends, this video shows how to increase the internal storage of Google TV Streamer 4K device, so that way we can install more apps and games. So here I will be using this Samsung T7 Shield SSD storage. This is 1 TB storage, so I am going to add this SSD storage as internal storage of this Google TV streamer. Here I'll be using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to Google TV streamer using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see one white cable, that is power cable, connected to PD in port of this USB hub. Here you can see a black cable that is connected to this SSD storage. This is a setup. Then go to TV, set all settings from top right corner. Go down, set system. Go down, set storage, and here go down under removable storage. You can see 1 TB storage, that is this Samsung SSD storage. Select it. First we need to format this SSD storage as device storage. Set erase and format as device storage. Select format. Please note this operation will delete all data from your SSD storage, so you should be careful. You have to take the backup. Let me format it. Now it's formatting, please wait. Okay, done, formatted. After this, here you can see two options: move now, move later. Using this move now option, you can move photos, files, apps and games to this SSD storage. We can also do this operation later. For now, let me go back. See, now under this device storage, you can see Samsung USB drive 1 TB. So now I have increased internal storage of this Google TV streamer. You can see earlier it was only 26 GB. So now you can see 26 GB plus 1 TB. Okay. So let me set this 1 TB. If you want to migrate data to this storage, you can use this migrate data option, or you can also manually move apps and games. So you can go to all settings, apps, see all apps, and here you can set one app that supports external storage. Then you can select storage used. So there you can see the option to move to this new Samsung SSD storage. This way we can also manually move. Okay, or you can use that migrate option. This way we can increase internal storage of Google TV streamer 4K device. Please try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.